Subscribe to channel, hit like button. Subscribe to channel, hit like button.
Should we do all colors first? Should we do all the yellow ones first? And then do all the red ones?
Red,
You
right
want to
here.
do the red ones first? Or you want to do all different colors? Let's do all the red one first. Let's get all the red ones. You want to do different colors?
Orange, green,
Orange, green,
blue,
blue,
purple,
purple again,
now orange again.
orange again.
This right here, this is orange.
All right,
This is
verde,
blue.
naranja, naranja.
This is orange. This is orange and naranja.
Naranja is orange, right?
Now the blue is this?
And blue one is azul.
Azul.
Azul, remember? And then what about green? Green is
Is
verde. What is it? Verde.
Yellow says
Amarillo.
amarillo. Now green one says
Roja.
roja.
Nice. Oh, and you said you wanted to make a spine? Let's make a spine. Control it. Control it. Yeah.
Look at Carter.
Look at that. All right, we're gonna do all the orange first. All the orange first for the cervical part of the spine. Anarando for the cervical part. Orange, another orange right here. The orange first. And now let's do all the blue one.
What's that? I turn on.
Try to turn it on. Okay, Daddy's gonna turn it on. There you go. Ready? Bam! All right, let's refill the chamber.
Yellow, green, blue, blue, orange, green again, and blue. What's it fill it from?
You got it. Keep going. Let's fill up the whole chamber. Keep going. You got it. What colors?
But I got it.
You want Daddy to do it? Okay, the final few big pieces of brick to finish our Great Wall of China.
Finish
You
again.
got it. Let's go do it. Let's do it.
Hello.
All right, you know why the Great Wall of China was built, Zizzo? To protect them from the bad people. The bad people wanted to conquer China, so they built this big Great Wall of China to make sure that no one gets into China, into the kingdom. It is thousands of years old, and it's one of the few things you can see from outer space. When you go like this from outer space, you can see the Great Wall of China. Go ahead, knock it down. Come on, hit it.
Subscribe to channel, hit like button. Subscribe to channel, hit like button.
All right, you ready to set the dominoes off? Oh no, don't touch it so fast. You ready? You ready? You don't want to do it? You don't want to do it?
Try
It took
right.
you so long to build this great wall. Now you don't want to do it? Uh-oh, you want the train to hit it?
No.
Uh-oh, the train is going to hit it?
No.
You want to ride the train right next to the Great Wall? Look at that Great Wall. Wow, where is it going? It's going to crash right into that wall. Come stop your train. Oh no, turn the wheel. Choo, choo. Turn the wheel. It's coming right for the wall. All right, you guys want to see this wall send an effect right down, and a domino effect. When one of them goes down, the rest are just gonna go.
No way! No, stuck away.
Go ahead. Come on.
Come on.
Bring the train back here. All right. Okay, he's got it. One. 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 Two. Uh-oh. What color is that?
Red,
Rojo.
orange, blue, green, yellow, red, green, blue, orange, green, blue.
All right, let's knock it down. You ready? All right, here we go. What was that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
I heard.
All right, ready? Ready?
Oh, wait, no.
Go ahead. All right, so we have these colors. We have anaranjo, which is orange. We have verde, which is green. We have the blue, which is azul. We have red, which is rojo,
Yellow.
amarillo. What color is this?
Yellow.
All right, and now we're gonna make the spine, the cervic part. The azul is gonna be the lumbar. So you have the thoracic is actually the biggest part of the spine. So we're gonna leave all this here. So the lumbar is a little smaller, and we're gonna take just a few out. And then we have here is the sacrum. Sacrum, we'll just take this much out. And then you have the tailbone. The tailbone we have very, very little, right? There you go. There you go. There's your spine. So as you see, we used almost all of the red. We used very little of the yellow. Let's go ahead and plug it in there and show them the spine. All right, you ready to go?
Yes.
There you go. Turn it on and make sure you curve it like the spine. Keep going. There you go. Curve it. Look at that. Look at the curvature. And now curve it the other way. Go the other way. The other way to the right. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Keep going to the right. Look at this. You have the spine right here.
Try again.
Try again. Let's do it one more time. Go ahead. Go for it. We're going to try again. You got the cervical part. You have the thoracic, which is the longest part of the spine. Then you have the lumbar. And then you have the sacrum. And then you have the tailbone right there. This is the human spine. It is the most fragile part of the whole body right here. And now we're gonna go ahead and see how the spine is gonna react to the domino effect. Come on, Zizzo, you ready to knock it down?
No.
Huh?
I want to try again.
Try again, let's do it.
Subscribe to channel, hit like button. Subscribe to channel, hit like button.